Hey, this is Brian from MarineMax of Huntington. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough on a Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. This boat is powered by a single 300 Mercury outboard. It will give you top speed of around 51 miles per hour with a nice range of 264 miles. So starting here on the transom, your swim ladder is stowed away under this fiberglass hatch. Got 4 rod holders here. We've got pop-up jump seats on both the port and starboard side. Your fuel fill is located just forward of the engine here. And you have a nice compartment to access your batteries. Right behind our helm seats, you got your Boston Whaler 5-gallon bucket, as well as 3 tackle and storage drawers. Ample cup holders, again rod holders, and 4 rocket launchers with a tow point for water skiing or wakeboarding. Coming to your helm area, you've got bolster seats. You got a nice large SIMRAD display, your JL audio, a Mercury vessel view, nice dry storage for your phone, wallet, and keys. All of your important options on the boat, your freshwater, your navigation lights, etc., are on these nice rocker switches. This boat does have trim tabs, which is really nice. Up here, you've got a nice non-slip C-deck material, as well as wireless phone charging and USB power if you need it. Coming up to the front of the boat, you've got a large sun pad underneath your coffin box. So right now we have our canvas stowed under here, and your bow table will also be stowed underneath the lid of the coffin box. Your forward sun pad, you have locking loungers on both your port and starboard side. Nice drainable storage here, fish, ice, drinks, things like that. Coming back on the starboard side of the boat, right underneath the helm area, you've got a pump out head. This boat is equipped with a hardtop with a nice blue underside paint. If you're interested in this Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless, contact us here at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.